Thank you very much, Betty. Boy, it looks like it's beautiful out there. Lots of sunshine. Every Monday we welcome in a specialist from the Queens Medical Center. Dr. Kevin Dawson rejoins us again this morning. And the sun looked fantastic out there. And obviously surfing is a big part of Hawaii culture. Are there other things? We heard about the sunscreens and how important it is to get sunscreens that really give you protection in all the different ways. But are there other things that we could do besides just applying the sunscreen?
Well, yes, there are, and sunscreens aren't going to be enough if somebody's out there all day long. So you do want to try to find ways to physically protect from the sun as well. Hats, obviously you can't do that when you're surfing, but hats, sunglasses, remember your eyes do get sun damage as well. Making sure that you're wearing sun protective shirts. With the surfers, the rash guards are perfect. Yeah. They give good lasting protection that doesn't wash off.
Now, we've heard a lot, and obviously we want to protect ourselves because we've heard about the rates of skin cancer and how dangerous it can be. And I think we're getting better at knowing that, it seems like. But don't we need sun? Especially, I think, of vitamin D. I hear that, you know, that's a good source of vitamin D is sort of unprotected sun.
Right. And so the sun is a good source for vitamin D, but there are safe ways to get vitamin D as well. So we don't need to seek the sun to make sure we're getting enough vitamin D. So people can get vitamin D through their diet with fortified milk and cheeses and certain dairy products. Fatty fishes such as ahi and salmon, other forms of tuna can provide a good source of vitamin D. And there are lots of supplements. Calcium and vitamin D supplements are not a bad idea. So there are ways to safely get the vitamin D without having to seek the sun. And we only need a little bit of sun to get that vitamin D manufactured anyways. We get plenty of that in Hawaii.
I was going to say, just on a quick walk outside of your car, you're probably getting a good bit. If you do get sunburn, and it's going to happen, maybe you forget to put sunscreen on and you end up outside longer than you thought. If you do get sunburn, what are some important tips to sort of take care of the skin that's been damaged, if you will?
Well, probably what people are trying to do already. You just want to try to cool the skin a little bit, so cool baths and moisturizers are helpful. Over-the-counter hydrocortisones can be very helpful, and just things as simple as ibuprofen or aspirin. You want to avoid some of the skin pain relief medications such as the cane products, because lidocaine and those sorts of things, because those can actually cause sensitivity, and some people can get allergic to those, and makes a bad situation even worse.
Before we go real quick, and I know that if in doubt, just go ahead and go in and see your doctor or a dermatologist, but some of the things you could look for that might be sort of red flags if you have skin damage, things you could look for.
For skin damage, you're just looking for anything new and changing on your skin. So if it's changing shape, size, or color, then it's important to pay attention to it. If it continues to change, then go visit your doctor.
Good tip. Thank you, sir. We appreciate it very much. Have a safe summer out there, everyone. That's according to Dr. Dawson. We appreciate it very much from the Queens Medical Center. Thank you, sir. Wake Up Today is going to continue. It is quickly approaching 7 o'clock. We'll have top headlines when we come up. Thanks for starting your Monday morning with us. It's a beautiful day out there. Don't forget your sunscreen.